Hi guys, I'm Sanya and today I'm going to show you these two colored eye looks that I spotted at the Lakme Fashion Week. I knew I had to recreate these looks, but of course not without showing you guys. So before I begin with the video, if you're new to BeBeautiful, then quickly subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. For the first eye look, I've already done my base. Now I'm just going to prep the eyelids with some concealer so my eyeshadow pigment pops and helps the eye look stay put for a long period of time. So the first eye look that I'm going to recreate is going to be Sunset Eyes, for which I'm going to be using this palette. It's the Lakme Absolute Spotlight eyeshadow palette in the shade Sundowner. Using a flat shader brush, I'll dip into this yellow shade and apply it starting from the inner corner of my eyes till the center of my eyelids. Then using this orange shade, I'll apply it starting from the center of my eyelid till the edge of the eyes. As you can see, these eyeshadows are super blendable and soft, perfect for even a beginner. Now, using a blending brush, I will blend both of these shades together. Make sure not to blend too harshly. Now using the Lakme Absolute Explore eyeshadow stick in the shade Shimmering Gold, I'll go over the yellow shade just to intensify the color. It's a really nice vibrant shade, super light and comfortable to wear. I'm also going to intensify the orange shade a little bit. Now that I'm done with the upper part of my eyes, for the lower part of the eyes, I'll first apply the yellow shade halfway and then the orange shade and blend it together. What's also really attractive in this look is the blush placement. So I'm going to show you how to achieve that. I'll be using the Lakme 9 to 5 Pure Rouge Blusher. Take a blush brush and dip it into the blush and start from the center of the cheeks all the way to the sides of the temples. This technique is what gives the face a lifted effect. Finally, finishing it off with 2 to 3 coats of the Lakme Iconic Mascara. Just wiggle and swipe on the upper and lower lashes. And then finish it by pairing it with a nude lipstick. Also guys, I've made a super exciting 24 hours Lakme Fashion Week vlog. Go ahead and check it out by clicking on the eye icon on the top right and do show some love. For the second eye look again, prep the eyelids with a concealer and then apply a salmon eyeshadow shade all over the eyelids. I'll top that off with the Lakme Absolute Explore eyeshadow stick in the shade Subtle Pink. This too I'll apply all over the eyelids and then using a blending brush, I'll just brush off the harsh edges. Now, just like the reference, I will use the Lakme Explore Eye Pencil in the shade Daring Blue. I'll use this to tight line my upper and lower waterlines and also use a little bit on my lash line. This is the perfect smudge-proof kajal that lasts up to 22 hours. So come what may, it won't budge. While it's somewhat unconventional, Fashion Week is all about adding on that extra oomph, right? So ditching the black mascara and using the blue one, like the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara in the shade Royal Blue. Apply the smooth and lightweight mascara on the upper and lower lashes and see your eye look transform, like in seconds. Finish the look by applying a nude lipstick and get all the attention on the eyes. And with this, the look is complete. How did I do? Did you guys like this look? But most importantly, will you recreate this? Let me know in the comments. Time for me to go. But before that, like and share this video and hit the subscribe button to our BeBeautiful channel. Oh no, wait. Go and hit the bell icon as well and stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!